Do you want to learn how I was able to change my background from this to this and to this? Keep watching, because in this video I'm going to teach you from the very beginning to the end how I was able to do this. Some time ago I did a tutorial on how you can change your video background. That video is still on my channel, so at the end of this video I'm going to put the end screen so that you can click on it and watch, because that video will teach you how you can get the fake background. Do you understand? So the place I got that background from is free pick. So you can get any kind of background you want from free pick. You just go to Google and type free pick and start searching for the type of background you want. But don't worry, you still get to watch the video. So guys, I'm going to teach you how you can change your background, your original background, to a fake background, and then you touch that fake background and it will look so real. It will look as if you are in a studio. So that is what this video is all about, and I really want you to do well to watch to the end so that you'll be able to get it. So after you've gotten your fake background, you've removed the background, you've done everything, all you need is the Relight feature. It's on Capcut. It's a new feature on Capcut. I'm going to teach you, don't worry. So guys, are you ready? Let's go there. So guys, the very first thing we are going to do is this. We are going to click on the Capcut app, then we click on new project, and then we click on photos and select the background that you want to work with. So guys, this is the background. Click on it and then click on add. So this background, the way it's looking short, and we can do it to always extend it to the length of your video. Your video is 2 minutes, make it 2 minutes like that, just as your video is. So guys, after this, the next thing we are going to do is this. We are going to click on overlay and then click on add overlay, and then you know that video that you've already done with your original background, you've already done it. That is the video we are going to import. So you just search for the video, and okay, let's say I'm working with this video of 24 seconds. Let's say I'm working with this, and I'll click on add, and then here we are. This is the video. This is the video, guys. So I'll just go ahead and silence it, and so that we can do this tutorial properly. So guys, after doing this, the next thing you are going to do now is you are going to click on this overlay. This, you click on it and then swipe to your right hand side and search for remove BG. BG stands for background. You click on it and then click on auto remover. Click on it. Guys, you see that? So you just wait for like few seconds for this white to go round, and your background will be removed totally. The way it is now, it has not been removed fully. So please just hold on, don't rush, so that your video will come out so perfect. Ready, go. Guys, background removed. Do you see that? So this is how you know that the background has been removed. So click on this check sign, and don't forget to always resize it. You cannot leave your fake background like this, so bring it down. Make sure the line is touching the fake background, is touching it at the bottom. Guys, can you see this? So you can always make it bigger and make it smaller. It depends on your choice. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be working with this size. I prefer it like this. So just bring it down so it will look more realistic. So guys, this is it. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to relight it. We are going to relight the background of this video. So how do you do that? You click on the fake background. Remember that you are relighting the fake background, not yourself. Do you get? So click on the fake background and then swipe to your right hand side and search for Relight. Relight is a new feature in Capcut. I love it. So it's free. You click on it, Relight, and just hold on for it to come up. So we have facial, we have ambient, we have creative. So I'm working with ambient. You click on it, and this T backlight is what I normally work with. So let's check it out. Let's check what we have. So guys, this is just for the tutorial. You can do any one you want. You can play around with it and look for your favorite. So this one is just for the sake of this tutorial. So I'll click on T backlight, and you also need to wait for it to apply. Did you see that? So like this, for the second time, tap on it. Did you see that? So guys, like I said before, you just click on, double tap on it, and then this will come up, and we have points, we have directional, so you can decide to go ahead. One thing about Capcut, if you want to be good when it comes to editing videos, just play around with it, try different things on Capcut. Do you get? So I'll work with let's work with points and see what we have. So this is point. You can play around with this first light, and then as you can see, like this. Then if you want to go ahead with the second one, you can still click on point and then click on the second one, and then you should play around with it too. Guys, did you see that? So this is how it is very simple. Or you want to go ahead with the directional, you click on directional, and then also play around. It's just like you are making the light more brighter or less brighter, it depends. Do you get? So guys, this is it, this is it, this is it, this is it. So you can go ahead and increase the intensity, maybe play around with it. So you can, guys, can you see this? This is another look entirely, and you can also bring it forward. So it depends on you what you want. Do you understand? It depends on what you want, guys. This is so easy. So we also have radius, we also have radius, we have distance, we have, see, we have brightness, we have highlights. So just play around with it. And guys, this is how I was able to relight my background, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, why don't you support me by liking my video, by sharing my video, by supporting me, subscribing, commenting? Support me, guys. I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. So this, see, my background now is looking like I'm in a studio, whereas it's a fake background. So you can go ahead and do it, guys. You can go ahead and do something like this. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Before I end this video, let me quickly give you this tip. When you are doing a video and you want to change the background, make sure you don't shake your body too much. You don't minimize your body movements. That is the point. Just minimize your body movements. Don't move your body too much, so that when you apply the fake background, the video will come out perfect. I hope I have been able to teach you something new today. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and don't forget to drop your questions. I always anticipate your questions. Please drop your questions for me. I'll see you guys next time, same station. Bye.